The last thing you have time for is another appointment. We've got your back with an easier way to service your vehicle. Introducing the next evolution in automotive maintenance, McGrath Mobile Service. 2 convenient options, 0 hassle. With McGrath Mobile Service, wherever you are, we'll send an expert certified technician to do their thing, leaving you free to do yours. Oil changes, routine maintenance, manufacturer recalls, and more. Here's another option to free up your schedule. We'll come to you. At home or while you work, our team will pick up your vehicle, service it at the dealership, and drop it back off, right where you left it. The choice is yours. Easy pickup and delivery, or a technician straight to your driveway. Drop the shop, skip the waiting rooms, and save time. McGrath Mobile Service. Schedule your appointment online and choose the option that works best for you. Or call 319-253-2221. How will you use your extra time? McGrathAuto.com.